Welcome back to Basic English Parts of Speech video number 7. I'm Selmanaz, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about adverb. What is an adverb and how to use adverb in sentences. So stay tuned. Try to understand that uh, we use adverb in spoken and written English, and all types of adverb are easily implemented in the English language. What is an adverb? We use adverb to add more information about a verb, an adjective, and another adverb. In order to understand this definition, I'm giving you three sentences and try to understand these three examples. She sang badly. Now, this saying is a verb, and this verb is being modified by this verb badly, which is an adverb. So, this verb is being modified by a word, an adverb. It is terribly cold today. Now, in this sentence, cold is an adjective and terribly is an adverb. So you may say that this terribly word is adding more information to an adjective cold. They are playing unusually fast. Now, in this sentence, fast is an adverb and unusually is also an adverb. And this fast is being modified by another adverb unusually. You might be thinking that fast should be used as fastly, but it is absolutely incorrect. Fastly is a never never word in the English language. You may use fast as an adjective and as an adverb at the same time. If you use it that he is a fast reader. Now over here in this sentence, this fast is an adjective. So whenever fast comes before noun, so try to understand that it is an adjective. But if you come across fast at the end of a sentence, so it is an adverb. Hope you have got this example. Why do we use adverb all the time? We have to answer some important questions like when, where, how much, and how often. So that is why we use adverb in the English language. Now identify adverbs in these sentences. You can stop this video for a moment and identify all adverbs in your journal in order to understand your background information, or you may only mark adverbs orally. It is your choice. He took breakfast quickly. She spoke English yesterday. I don't know her quite well. I went there. Saqib goes to the gym every day. And here are the answers. He took breakfast quickly. Now, in this sentence, you can use this word quickly as an adverb. Okay, and this is questioned by the word how. So he took breakfast how, and the answer is quickly. So this is called adverb of manner. She spoke English yesterday. Now she spoke English when, and this is called adverb of time, yesterday. I don't know her quite well. Now, in this sentence, you can see there are two adverbs. One is adverb of degree, and the second one is adverb of manner. You may ask the question, I don't know her, and the question is how much. So, quite well. I don't know her quite well. So, this degree is quite, and well is adverb of manner. I went there to meet my friends. Now, when there is adverb of place. Saqib goes to the gym every day. Now, this every day is how often, and you have to answer the question every day. So, this is adverb of frequency. If you want to understand adverb of manner, time, degree, place, and frequency in an easy way, then this video is going to really help you. So, you can understand adverb of all types of adverb easily in this video. The first one is adverb of time. It rained. And if you ask the question when, it means yesterday. We go out to dinner. When? Weekly. They joined this organization when? Recently. Now, yesterday, weekly, and recently are adverbs of time. You have words here, adverb like adverb of time like today already and still, and you have to use them in your own sentences to understand this adverb of time easily. Adverb of place. We live nearby our college. Where? Nearby. She stayed here. Where? Here. You can use there, somewhere, and upstairs as adverbs of place in your sentences to practice it more. Now, adverb of manner. She runs, and the question is how. So the answer is fast. She runs fast. You taught us happily. How? Happily. They speak English. How? Well. You may use words like slowly, quietly, sadly, angrily, loudly in your sentences to understand adverb of manner. If you have any question, you may put that question in the comment section and I'll be there to help you. And finally, this adverb of degree. And if you say this task is easy, and then you ask the question how much, and the answer is quite. I'm very happy to see you here. How much? Very. The sun is hot. How much? Extremely. And you can use very, absolutely, and really in your own sentences. And this is adverb of frequency. I get up early in the morning. And then you ask the question how often? And the answer is always. She gets angry. How often? Sometimes. They rarely read novels. How often? Rarely. Rarely means hardly. So you can use often, sometime, usually, rarely, and never as adverbs of frequency in your own sentences and to practice it more. If you have any question, again, I'm telling you, you may post it in the comment section and I'll be there to help you. If you are new on this channel, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can easily get all my lessons for free. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, like, and share. Take a great care of yourself is for today. Bye for now.